look, it's fucking Jaffers' bird.
Who?
It's Jaffers' bird.
Jafar.
It's Jaffers' bird. Yago.
Iago.
Oh, there's a big surprise!
Jeez, Shelby,
Played
where'd
by
you
the
pick this
talented
bozo
comedian
up?
Jim Carrey.
Okay, now you're not even trying. It's Jim Carrey. I mean, no, it's Gilbert Gottfried.
And Aladdin, played by the beloved actor of Full House, Bob Saget.
Bob Saget!
Oh, Seesaw. The game where no one knows how a seesaw works.
Moments later.
I'm playing the slow game.
I'm gonna kill myself.
More moments later.
Come here,
James.
bird! Come here, bird!
James, do you hear the patch that they did? Or the one
Alright,
update?
Waddle, come on.
Yeah, I'll walk you in, you walk me in. Oh, good. Game put me at the back of the fucking pack. It's like it wants me to lose. Fine, I'll just go the long way. I guess you could say this game is one jump.
Ah, waka waka!
Thank you very much. I'm here till Thursday. Try the veal.
Just a little snack, guys!
And then you get that one really creepy girl who's like, Phil, I think he's rather tasty.
Oh yeah, it's tasty. I'm gonna put some sauce on his wheelie.
What the fuck is
Jesus
wrong?
Christ.
James,
got
did you not
hit.
make it either?
No, I didn't. I was surprised by the elimination screen.